Hey everyone, I'm Josh, a robot repair technician with Misty Robotics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace Misty's treads. The things you'll need for this repair is a screwdriver, a screw tray, and the replacement part. And as always, make sure your Misty is powered off and you're properly grounded.
Start by removing Misty's bumpers. The bumpers can be removed by placing a finger in the recessed portion at the top of the bumpers and by pulling out. Once the bumpers are removed, the 6 screws revealed can be removed and the chassis cover can be removed. Remove the 4 screws holding the track outer support in place. Tilt Misty on her side. It is important to note that with the tread covers off, the bump sensors are not secured and may be shifted during tread replacement. It is important to make sure all bump sensors are properly seated before assembling the robot. The tread can be removed by peeling a portion of the tread off the main drive wheel and rolling the tread completely off the wheel. The tread can then be removed from the remaining wheels. To replace the tread, begin with the rear wheel and begin to slip the belt into the notch on the wheel. Take the belt over the belt tensioner followed by the main drive wheel. Roll the belt over the main drive wheel until the belt is fully seated in the notch. The track outer support can then be placed on the robot and 4 screws can be tightened. Sit Misty up on her treads. Now is a good time to make sure that the bump sensors are correctly seated and wires are not over the threaded inserts for the upper tread cover. The chassis cover can now be put in place and screws tightened. To replace the bumper, take special notice to the bump switch tabs that could get hung on the bumper. It is important to make sure that the bump switch tabs are inside the bumper and not bent or broken to maintain the functionality of the sensor. Once bumper is in position, press straight down until the bumper snaps into place. Test the bumper by performing a few test clicks.
If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any questions or concerns, contact us at support@mistyrobotics.com. And make sure to get involved in the forums down below. We'd love to see how you're using your Misty.